Hey guys, today I'm going to try cooking a frozen, oven-ready whole turkey in a bag. So let's get going. I have never seen one of these before, so I thought it would be interesting to buy one and try it out. This cost $29.99, so $30. This says it's a 12-pound turkey. On the package it says 11 to 13 pounds. So roughly a 12-pound turkey. So that would be about $2.50 a pound, which isn't cheap, but it's not really outrageous either if it turns out good. All you have to do is put this in the oven. You cook it right in the bag. It says it's in a brine, so it's seasoned. It's soaked or injected with like a solution, a brine. It's seasoned on the outside already, and it's all ready to go. So let's open it up and see what it looks like on the inside here. Get that out of the bag. Oh, and it also comes with a gravy, some frozen gravy mix there that you probably mix with water, I guess, or just heat up. I'm not sure. We'll look at that while the turkey's cooking. So this turkey has a pop-up timer in it, and the directions say to put about 3 slits on each side of the turkey bag, just 1/2-inch slits. So I'll do that. 3 little 1/2-inch slits on each side. So 6 slits total. Then it says to try to pull the bag, the plastic away from the turkey a little bit. Alright, and you cook this in a 375-degree oven. You just put it in there frozen just like that, and just let it go until that pop-up timer pops up. Alright, my oven is preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I put the turkey in a disposable aluminum pan, and I put a cookie sheet under it to help support it, and we will get that in there for as long as it takes to cook. A little pop-up timer popped up after 3 hours and 10 minutes, and I pulled it out and I checked it with my quick read thermometer, and this is done. So it's been sitting here with the plastic on the counter for about ½ hour or so. Let's get it opened up and see how it looks here. Well, gosh, that looks pretty good. Let me see if I can get it out of that plastic a little bit better, and then we'll cut into it. Well, I got that out of the wrapper, out of the plastic, and it looks pretty good here. Looks like that leg is just gonna come right off of there, maybe. Never find the joint. There we go. That looks real good. See what this breast meat looks like here. Wow. It looks pretty juicy. That actually looks pretty good. A little bit drier down in the center though, but still not too bad. I've seen drier looking turkeys. Anyway, let's try a bite of that. You know, that's not bad. Let me taste a little bit more, and I'll give you my final conclusion. You know, that actually turned out pretty good. It had really good flavor. The seasonings were good. Breast meat was a little bit dry, but I've had drier breast meat than that. As far as turkeys go, the ones I've cooked, it's probably kind of in the middle somewhere. It's not the best, but it's definitely not the worst either. It's definitely the easiest turkey I ever cooked. So, you know, I might actually try doing that again. I mean, it's a super easy way to cook a turkey. So if you're looking for an easy way to do a turkey, you might want to try that. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you next time. I guess we'd better give Annie her sample and see what she thinks. I think she thought it was all right.